I want to explain you how I can work with you for free on results basis and help you sign your first 5 people paying you $97 per month. I'm looking for you. If you are really willing to do the work, I am gonna help you completely for free and I'm gonna coach you on this journey. Look, to be honest, if you would want to succeed and sign 5 people paying you $97 a month, so you can have like a $500 per month income now, and then you can go to 10, 15, 20 members paying you. If you really want to succeed once for all, make sure to find the link down below and apply and schedule a call with me so we can talk. I really want to help you. If you are willing to do the work in exchange for you becoming my awesome case study and creating a mini video testimonial for my YouTube channel with me when you succeed, I really want to help you for free so you really succeed. Here is the plan. I want to take you through my 3 steps of creating a membership offer for which you can charge $97 per month for your course, your community, your coaching calls. Secondly, we're gonna open a school app, school platform for you so you can host your membership community and you can charge people paying you monthly subscriptions and you can have your membership all in one place on one app. You're gonna open a school app. You should use my link so school sends me a mini commission and this benefits me a little as well. Thirdly, I'm gonna take you through a few tasks, few steps so you can sign your first 5 members paying you. I'm gonna show you how you can build a list of 10 to 20 people who are interested in joining, and I'm gonna guide you through how you should talk to them to sign them into your program. And I want to show you a few examples here. Here you can see on the screen how Leonardo just signed his first $97 per month member. I also have worked with Carlos, who signed his 5 members now. Here is also Carol, who signed now her 10th member. We also have Claire. She already signed more than 50 members paying her for her program. I want you to become one of these case studies with me as well, and I want to help you for free. Now here is how I'm gonna help you. You're gonna join my free school community and you're gonna start going through my 3 steps through my course program. You're gonna create your offer again. You're gonna then open your school community and you're gonna start building a list of interested people who we can talk to. You going through these steps with me, I'm gonna give you access to my weekly group coaching call completely for free, and I'm gonna guide you also via DMs and answer all the time all of your questions. And if you're gonna really show up for our collaboration, I'm gonna here and there also meet with you one-on-one so I can really help you succeed. I am looking for you if you really want to succeed, if you really finally want to start making money with your coaching work, with your teachings, with your courses, with your program, with your knowledge, with the transformations that you're gonna be delivering to people. If you finally want to succeed and start having a monthly recurring income, make sure to schedule a call with me, DM me as well, let's talk, and I'm gonna guide you and coach you completely for free. Let's have a call, let's discuss the plan, let's go.